We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone touchscreen not working. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It's an annoying problem when an iPhone's touchscreen isn't working, as you then can't go and use it. You may be thinking that it's broken, but don't worry, there's a fix which should go and hopefully fix it. So you may be thinking, what can you do if the screen literally isn't working? But there's actually a button combination we can do to perform a restart, and often just doing a restart will go and resolve the problem. So to do this, we're going to press the increase volume button, then the decrease, and hold down the side power button. That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively. So I'll press increase button, then decrease, and then hold down the side power button. Now, depending upon if your screen is frozen or not, you may or not see the screen, but it doesn't matter. Just keep holding down the side power button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black, but you go and release it when you go and see the Apple icon. So at this point here, release, and it will start again. Go and wait, it shouldn't take too long, and here it is. I can now go and use it again, and the touchscreen is working.